My people, now good morning or good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. We're discussing something critical today in Nigeria. Lawyers have decided to defend the indicted Abba Kyari. Can you imagine? Not one, not two, not three, but 31 of Nigerian lawyers have decided to defend Abba Kyari. And all these lawyers are from the north. Can you imagine? When they came up with the case of Hush Puppy, no lawyer decided to defend him. When issues are arising in Nigeria, lawyers in the north not decide to defend anybody. But because they know that this man is from the north, now 31 lawyers have stood up saying they want to go and defend Abba Kyari. Can you see how we are promoting injustice? Can you see how we are promoting insecurity in Nigeria? This is why Nigerian issues keeps on increasing. Well, a total of 31 lawyers have indicated interest in representing Abba Kyari, a deputy commissioner of police who was suspended in connection with a $1.1 million scam involving Raymond Abbas, aka Hush Puppy, a self-confessed fraudster. Barrister Bapa Salisu, who spoke on behalf of a group of lawyers from the country's 19 northern states, made the announcement in an Abuja statement on Wednesday. The legal profession has claimed that their decision to provide free legal services to Kyari was in reaction to the coalition of northern groups' recent request for the protection of his fundamental rights following an indictment by a U.S. court. According to him, the FBI attempted to extradite Kyari, a former commander of the Police Intelligence Response Team, to the United States to face criminal charges, but there were significant procedural flaws bordering on international procedure. He said, "We will raise questions involving the possibilities of breach to Kyari's fundamental rights and entrenched in Article 6 and 7 of the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, which essentially state that every individual have the right to liberty and to the security of his persons, and every individual shall have the right to have his cause heard." This comprises the right to an appeal to competent and national organs against acts of violating his fundamental right as recognized and guaranteed by conventional laws, regulations, and custom in force, the right to be presumed innocent until proved guilty by a competent court or tribunal, the right to defense, including the right to be defended by counsel of his choice, the right to be tried within a reasonable time by an impartial court or tribunal. He further said they will also weigh the FBI procedures against Section 36 of the 1991 Constitution as amended, which entitled the embattled Kyari to a fair hearing within a reasonable time by a court or other tribunal. He said subsection 9 and 10 of this section also stipulate that everyone has the right to an effective remedy by the competent national tribunal for acts violating the fundamental right granted him by the Constitution or by law, and everyone is entitled in a full equality to a fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal in the determination of his rights and obligation and of any criminal charges against him. Where the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights also states that everyone charged with a penal offense has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty according to law in a public trial. Well, this is what the lawyers are saying, that they are going to represent Abba Kyari. They are going to stand to defend him. Defend him. Well, this is not supposed to happen because we see cases like Nnamdi Kanu. They were so in a hurry to extradite this man from United Kingdom, so that they brought him down to Kenya till he got to Nigeria. Look at the case of Sunday Igboho. Even not for the leader of the Afenire and some strong Yoruba politicians that has been standing on the side of Sunday Igboho, they will have extradited Sunday Igboho from Cotonou down to Nigeria. So they are always in a hurry. They are always fighting tooth and nail to extradite people, to make sure that they put people that are protesting, people that are agitating for the right, put them down to law or jail them. But when it comes to big politicians, when they commit crime, the Nigerian government likes sugarcoating it. The Nigerian government likes playing and toiling with issues like this. This is why our insecurity and problems in Nigeria continues and keep on persisting. This is why it cannot end, because we can never call a spade in Nigeria. We know what is right, but we'll be doing the other thing, we'll be doing another thing entirely. We know that before FBI could come down to Nigeria 2 times on 2 occasions because of this Abba Kyari case, they would have seen substantial evidence They will have seen some call connection. They will have seen some messages. They will have seen some bank transfers. They will have seen some evidence that is strong enough before they can ask for Abba Kyari. So there is more to this. There is something fishy about this issue. So the Nigerian police have suspended him. Now that is a good one, and he should go and face trial. He should be extradited to the United States. Let the issue continue there. They should not keep him here, because you know that our court, our judges, our system is already corrupt. So if a politician like, or if a great man like Abba Kyari could be tried in Nigeria, we all know that it will favor him. It will favor him. So let him go to a country where there is justice. Let him go to the United States and stand trial there. If he is guilty, he will be penalized. If he is innocent, he will be brought back to Nigeria, and peradventure he will resume his office as the DCP. So these 31 lawyers trying to defend him or stand or saying that we are defiling his fundamental right. Nobody is defiling his fundamental rights. They are only following due process. The way they extradited Nnamdi Kanu from Germany down to Nigeria, the same way they should extradite Abba Kyari to the United States, so that he should go and stand trial and defend himself. How can you say he sent you 300,000 naira first of all to sow the native? Imagine what a deputy commissioner of police is saying on Facebook. That a fraudster sent you 300,000 naira, so he does not know who he will contact to sow cloth. Is a police officer that a fraudster will contact to sow his native? Then all of a sudden you change the comment. He edited the comment on his Facebook page some weeks ago. He edited saying that Hushpuppi be giving 8 million naira now. And all of a sudden, he deleted the post from his Facebook page. So all this deleting of posts shows that there is something fishy. There is something fishy. So he should go there and face trial. And these 31 lawyers coming, these 31 northern lawyers coming up and say they want to defend him. I think this is not supposed to be. Let us stand for justice. Let us uphold the nation flag, and let us stand for the truth. This is the only way we can take Nigeria to where we used to be. This is the only way we can become the giant of Africa. This is the only way Nigeria's name could be upholded. So this particular thing that our DCP has done, he has really painted a bad image of Nigeria. So we need to clarify it. We need to make sure that he stand that trial to make Nigeria come out. We can show the outer world, or we can show the entire world that Nigerian police officers are not criminals, but they are people that stands for justice. Well, what are your thoughts and opinions? You can leave them down in the comment section below. Let us know what you think concerning these 31 lawyers that have decided to defend Abba Kyari, saying that they are violating his fundamental human rights. Well, leave your comment in the comment section below, and if you're coming there for the first time, you're welcome to Gleanful. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, we would love you to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell by the side, so whenever we drop our quality content, you will be the first to get notified. Do have a wonderful weekend. God bless you.